So this time we're going to create a little menu on the left hand side. So maybe I want my menu just beneath the title, but no more than that. So sometimes we want to keep a whole group of elements together, and for this we use a thing called a div. Not very polite, I know, but still that's the name we've got. So I'm going to put in the div tag. So this is back to the old HTML, and I'm going to divide up my document just like that. And in this div I'm going to put a list of links, because this is what our menu is going to be made out of. So I'm going to make it an unordered list, and I'm going to put in a list item which is going to be an anchor, and it's going to be, I'm not going to make it go anywhere at the moment, I'm just going to say href is blank, and I'm going to say first menu item. There we are. So we close off the anchor, close off the list item. Right, we need a few more of those. Copy and paste, helpful as ever. And I'm going to make this second, third, fourth and fifth, just like that. And then I'm going to, of course, close the unordered list. Nothing in here we haven't seen before apart from the div tags. So I'm going to save that, and when I refresh it over here you can see I've got that list there. Now what we can do is we can start to style this. So I can say about the div, so let's give the div an identity. So class equals menu, like this, and up here we're going to say div.menu, that's our selector, and we're going to start styling it up. So we're going to give it a width of 100 pixels. We're going to give it a background. There we are, very nice bound indeed. And we are going to tell it to float over to the left, just like that. So, getting there. Good. So we've got our menu on the left, needs some margin on the right hand side. Now I am doing this unpracticed out of my head, so I will get things wrong from time to time. There we are. You might want a little bit more than that. Now you can see there's this list item. If we want to access the list item, we could put a class on the list item, but actually we can select it just like this, div.menu, and then we can put in list item. So that will select only the list items inside the menu. And I'm going to say list decoration none, maybe that's the one. I might have to look this up. So yeah, I've got the wrong CSS declaration there. So if I come onto here, what I'm going to do, and this is just showing you exactly what I would do if I was doing it myself, I'd come into here and I would say, well, what can I find in here that's lists, that seems right. And then it says list properties, and it says list style type none, that seems right. And I'm going to put that into here, and then when I refresh that, there we are, it's taken it off.